Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to unmute sound of Snapchat notifications. Would you like to unmute sound of Snapchat notifications? You can easily do it. Follow these steps and you will learn how to do it. Open Snapchat app and go to your profile page. Click on gear icon at the top right of your screen. Find the notifications settings and open it up. Scroll down to the bottom and search for the section Sound. Click on the empty box next to it and you will unmute sound of Snapchat notifications. Done. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to unmute sound of Snapchat notifications. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.